Hello folks, so we're going to be doing the drawing for the Camry Chrome Delete kit giveaway that we posted back on the 9th of November. That contest did run through the 18th. The rules were in the post on our Instagram, and we have our list of everyone who went through and followed the rules, and then also commented on the YouTube video for the installation of the Chrome Delete kit. We appreciate everyone's response and participation. So now, without further ado, we do have our wheel. This is our wheel of fun here with all the names on it. So we're going to spin the wheel and find out who our winner is. Here we go. And okay, so here is our winner. So this is Adab 1040. So we will be contacting you on the YouTube comment, requesting that you send your information to us, and we will get that Chrome Delete kit out to you. Again, we do appreciate everyone's participation. We will have some more contests in the future, so keep an eye out for those. And thank you very much, and y'all have a wonderful day.